What's the crisis, Colonel? Nadu is cooking, sir. Dear God, take the shot. I was never an awesome cook like you. It took me months to remember that the white powder on the side is salt and I have to use it on every step, which would have saved so many lives I took. My first prep was a chicken tomato satay which I made on my mother's birthday and she loved it. Then I had a bite and I hated it. But you know there are other ways to peel a garlic. Like science. So I spent months perfecting my craft for the wonderful day of Christmas. Lemons, get in the water. I don't know how to swim. Thyme, garlic, turkey. Mayday is the protein breaking. This is fat. Melanoidin is forming nicely, sir. But looks like it might burn. Heh, I was just waiting for that. Lemons, shoot. You forgot me, sir. Dinner is served. And that's how I became a cooking addict. Hi, cooking. I got so good at cooking that I became a pretentious asshole. Whenever someone cooked for me, I would always pick on his food. The priceless love and the precious care that my mother's put in her dishes became just another ingredient for me. And in the grand scheme of gourmets, I got lost. Which is ironic because I still can't do this. So till today, I became 5 years sober. Boo! You know the food videos that give you One time my dad came in as I was watching them and go, "Oh, my bad, kid." But if you don't cook yet, here are some beginner hacks. Use a scissor to cut just about anything. If your neighbor annoys you too much, just loudly read how to carve a pig and always start cooking at the lowest temperature. Well, something to think about.